Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So, since I haven't uploaded something on my channel, today I was scrolling my comments and I found most of you were asking me to make a video on Minecraft. So, why not? Since most of my viewers know that I make Mac tips, so this is also about Mac and I'll teach you guys how to download Minecraft on Mac for free. Since let's shift to the desktop screen. So as you guys can see, we're on the desktop screen. Now open your browser and search Java download. I will add the link in the description box as well. So after opening, now click on Mac OS. Now wait for it to download, and after it's done, click on it and then click on Java 8 update. Click open and close the tab. Now click install and write your Mac's password. Wait for it to install. So now click on done and close all the tabs and then search T-Launcher and click on the first link. Now click on download TL and click on your platform, and after downloading it, click on the link and open T-Launcher file. And then as you guys can see, it's written T-Launcher cannot be opened because it is a form of verification. So now we have to verify it. Go to the settings, go in general, then go to privacy and security, and here you can see T-Launcher, and click open anyways and type your Mac's password. Click open. Now close the tab, and as you guys can see, you can see this Java icon. Wait for it to open. So click on update later and then select your version and enter the game. So here it is, Java. So now click on back to the world list and click on world, or create a new world. So as you guys can see, I already have a world in it, so I'll open it and show it to you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Hope so you guys liked it. And if you guys have any doubt, comment down below. I'll be replying you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe.